BarryTiger. Subscribe!
The tow truck is broken.
I can't move, Bump Bump.
I feel awful, Bump Bump.
Don't be afraid. Tow truck William is here. Bumper cars, hold hands tightly. Mission accomplished. It's raining. Go and hurry home.
Thank you, Tow Truck William.
Oh, Tow Truck William, help me, please!
It's Monster Truck. Whoa, you are heavy. Oh no! Monster Truck, hang in there, okay? I have to go to Barry's repair station first.
Huh? Tow Truck William? You're here. What happened to you?
Super Mechanic Barry, could you repair me, please? Monster Truck still needs me to rescue him.
Leave this to me.
Huh?
Dear friends, are you ready to begin?
Oh?
Let's attach a stronger arm to the tow truck. Oh, don't forget to screw it on tightly. Heave ho, heave ho, heave ho.
The new arm feels so sturdy now.
Hold on.
Huh?
Why do I hear air leaking somewhere? Uh-oh! You have a flat tire. This can't be right.
Oh.
Let me take a look. Oh! There's a rip in the tire. First, let's sew the rip with needle and thread. And then, let's pump air into the tire.
I feel great. I feel so much stronger now.
The repair is done. Dear friends, well done.
It's still raining outside. I need to hurry and save Monster Truck. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and good luck.
Is anyone around to help me? I can't hold out much longer here.
I'm coming. Hey. We did it!
Wow! Thanks for your help, Tow Truck William.
You're welcome. Oh, we're both so dirty now. Looks like we need to go to Barry's repair station again.